Good medical morning. Dawn Wells starred as Mary Ann Summers in Gilligan's Island from 1964 until 1967. She was one of America's first sex symbols, but after various health issues, she's now going through difficult financial times. TMZ reported that the former Gilligan star was seeking almost $200,000 from fans through a GoFundMe page created by a close friend. The actress was allegedly desperate for the funds following an unexpected accident that required hospitalization for 2 months, according to the crowdsourcing page. TMZ also reported that the actress wanted to be moved to a smaller assisted living facility that's geared towards helping those in film and TV industry, but she was denied due to her debt. However, it turned out that Wells never knew about the account. She said, "I'm amazed at the kindness and affection that I've received from the current outpouring in regards to the GoFundMe page that's grabbing so much attention and wanted to address it," Wells wrote to Fox News. "A dear friend of mine with a big heart was trying to help me with some common issues we all understand and must face. He created that page with love, like someone protecting their child." She also said, "Where did the time go? I don't know how this happened. I thought I was taking all the proper steps to ensure my golden years. Now, here I am, no family, no husband, no kids, and no money." Wow. Over 5,000 people have raised about $200,000 for Ms. Wells. We'll put a link below. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Click like for Gilligan's Island. And subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get updates and new videos. See you next time.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this opening triple Lutz triple toilet combination.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Finergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Karen sold it.